3 weken geleden behaalde de Pebble e-ink smartwatch een nieuw record op Kickstarter. In plaats van de beoogde $100.000 haalde men maar liefst $10 miljoen binnen. Wij reizen af naar Palo Alto en vragen aan bedenker Eric Migicovsky wat dat betekent voor het product en waarom jij als Apple-liefhebber een Pebble moet willen hebben.
We made Pebble, which is the first smartwatch to ever work with iPhone. We've been working on smartwatches for about 4 years. It started with a watch that I worked on for BlackBerry smartphones and Android. And then we took everything that we learned from our 4 years worth of work on smartwatches, and what we did is we built the best smartwatch for iOS. Pebble's great for any situation where your phone's in your pocket or your bag and you can't see what's going on your phone. So for example, if you were cycling, you could leave your phone in your back pocket next to your water bottle or in your pannier or bag, and you can instantly see it vibrates, Pebble vibrates, and it can tell you when someone's calling, when someone's texting you. You could even change music from your watch. You can actually use your phone's GPS to track your cycle route, and you can see your speed and distance traveled right on your watch. It has an e-paper screen, which means that it looks great outdoors. It's perfect for using during sports or fitness activities like cycling, running, and it also means that the battery lasts a whole bunch longer. So Pebble is also one of the most customizable smartwatches ever. You can download different apps onto your watch. You can even change the watch face from an analog watch to a digital watch to a running watch just by flicking something on your phone and changing the app that's running on your watch. For one of my years of engineering, I studied at TU Delft. So I actually thought of the first idea while I was cycling in Delft near the Centrum, and that's how I thought of the idea of a watch giving you access to email and text messages and caller ID. When we launched on Kickstarter, we expected to only raise about $100,000. That was our goal. We wanted to raise $100,000 so that we can make 1,000 Pebbles. With the ridiculous support that we found from people all over the world, we've kind of been honored. It's been an honor to see this kind of feedback and positive feedback. With this many Kickstarter backers, it's very clear that Pebble is going to be way better than we even thought. And the reason why is because we have more money to invest in the R&D process now. So since Kickstarter happened, we hired 6 more employees that are all working on software and hardware for Pebble. We're planning really interesting apps that we're going to launch on the platform. We're working on the developer kit so that other developers can write applications that run on Pebble. I like Kickstarter as a method for helping get the word out. I think that it's not a magical solution. You still have to build a product and have a very compelling product. But for example, if you do have a compelling product and you've shown it to people and people think that it's good and they want to start buying it, Kickstarter is a great way to get the word out and to share the idea.
Goed, tot zover Eric. Backers van de Pebble kunnen hun horloge ergens in september tegemoet zien. Heb je niet via Kickstarter meegedaan, dan moet je wat langer geduld hebben. Maar voor One More Thing bezoekers hebben we een verrassing. We hebben namelijk eentje extra besteld en die gaan wij verloten. Hou de website daarom goed in de gaten en dan hoor je vanzelf hoe jij daar kans op maakt.
Ik hoop dat je vindt het leuk en dat je kunt gebruik dat in je lijf, iedere dag, En als je nieuwe ideeën heeft voor apps, dat je kunt you could potentially start writing apps for Pebble. Met een horloge van One More Thing, je heeft een van de eerste Pebbles in de hele wereld. Dus ja.